Hi, this is Josh with J Brothers Roofing. I'm on 483 West Yosemite Drive in Meridian, Idaho. We are currently trying to repair a shingle, and we don't believe that this specific repair is, we don't believe it's repairable, this specific shingle. So we're going to attempt a repair, and we're going to video it and document it.
All right, so here's our wind damage shingle right here. To remove and replace this wind damage shingle, we have to remove the nails that are holding our shingle down, and then I also have to untab this shingle to get the nails that are holding the top of our wind damage shingle. So I'll start by untabbing. Well, I'll untab our wind damage shingle down here. Okay, and then I'll have to untab this row, and then the shingle above it as well to get the nails out. Okay, so our shingles have they're untabbed now, and then I have to remove the nails. These are nails, not staples here. As you can see, I'm not lifting it nowhere near a 45-degree angle. I'm just trying to get to this nail, these last two nails. And you can see where in the process our shingle is starting to become delaminated. Right, this shingle is not wind damaged at all right now. In the process of me attempting this repair, you could see where it's already becoming delaminated. And I'm not going anywhere near a 45-degree angle. I've got two more nails I got to get to so that our wind damaged shingle can come loose. One more nail over here. Yep, one more nail I gotta get to. Okay, here's our wind damage shingle. All set to the side. And in the process, being as careful as I possibly could, using a putty knife, painter's putty knife, to untab them, and cat's paw and mag hatch. You know, our shingles have become delaminated. These were not delaminated. You know, these have all come undone for the most part. This one still holding on, okay, but these are become, you know, undone. So I don't think it's possible for this shingle to be repaired. It is an older shingle, but in the process we're just causing more collateral damage. So I don't think it can be repaired.